What's up, folks? What's up, family? Welcome back to Santa Star, the #1 unscripted channel. And today I'm back with another one. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make a home, how to make a great home. These are tips that a lot of people or a lot of guys ignore, but when followed, they can result into a great home or an amazing home. So before we dive in, guys, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel at santastar001. That's my handle, santastar001. Check me out and subscribe. As I always say, subscription is absolutely free. It doesn't cost a dime. So, how to make a home part 1, tip number 1. One thing, guys, I need you to know or remember is that a house is not equal to a home. A house is not equal to a home. A house only becomes a home when people living in it are connected by love. When people who are living in the house have a good, loving relationship with each other. Yeah. The warmth of a house is built from love for each other. So it's important that love reigns in that house for it to become a home. There should be love between the parents. There should be love between the siblings. So moving on to number 2, tip number 2. Don't turn your house into a lodge whereby you just come in to sleep and leave the next morning. You should be connected to your house. You should be present, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. Moving on to point number 3. A home should be a home for everyone. It should be a home for the husband, it should be a home for the wife and the kids. Everyone should feel comfortable in that home and accommodated. Every personality should be accommodated in that home. People come with different personalities. You may have an introverted kid, you may have extroverts. All these personalities need to be accommodated in the family and they need to feel comfortable. Nobody should feel like an outsider. So we're moving on to number 4. Apply courtesy all the time. Whenever you're talking to each other, use words like I am sorry, thank you, and please. These are called magic words. Never be rude to each other. Kindness will make people feel at home. In order to create a great home, you should never use words like my house, my TV, my car. Instead, use our house, our car, our TV. Nobody should feel left out. You all are partners, you are a team, you are a family. So refrain from using the word my house, my this, my that, my that. Instead, replace it with the word our. In that way, everybody will feel included in the family. So, guys, thank you for watching. Come to the end of part 1. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel at santastar001 and share the videos. So, guys, that's it for today. Peace and love. I love you all.